In the heart of an ancient forest, a lone hiker stumbled upon a clearing where mushrooms thrived unnaturally. The air was thick with decay, and the ground pulsed beneath his feet. As he watched, the fungi seemed to breathe, exhaling spores that danced in the dim light. He felt an itch beneath his skin, a creeping sensation that spread like wildfire. The mushrooms whispered secrets of the earth, promising eternal life through decomposition. Panicked, he tried to flee, but roots ensnared him, pulling him into the soil. His screams were muffled by the earth as mushrooms began to sprout from his flesh. Like, comment, and subscribe for more stories like this.